Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the while loop. Okay. So last video we discussed the for loop. Okay. So in this we will discuss while loop. Okay. So we will see with the help of example how it will work, why we are using, what is the general syntax of while loop. Okay. So first of all we will see syntax of while loop. Okay. So general syntax of while loop. Okay. So first will come while. Okay. Then expression. Okay. Yeah, condition. Okay. Yeah, condition. Okay. Then open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. In body we have to write the code. Okay. Code to be execute. Okay. Body of the code. Okay. That's what we are writing in the a statement we will write in the code to be execute or body. Okay. So this is the general syntax of while loop. Okay. So we will see one example. Like, see, I will give one example, like while expression or condition. Okay. So give, if I want to print, okay, I is less than equal to 10. This is what, this is one type of condition, right? Condition. I want to print 1 to 10. Okay. That's why I'm given I is less than equal to 10. Okay. So before that, so we will have to declare I. Okay. In main I'm writing. Okay. In the bracket. Okay. This is what the in main we are writing, declare I while equal to, we are checking here the condition I is less than equal to 10. Okay. Then open the bracket, print the statement, printf /t /n, because I want to print the next number, it should become next line, so that's why I'm using /n. Okay. Then I should be print semicolon. It will print I only one. Then I have to do print I is less than equal to 10, right? Then I have to do increment. Then I is plus plus. You can do I minus minus also. Okay, increment or decrement. Then close the bracket. Sorry, here semicolon you have to. Then first of all, here controller will go and check what is the condition. I is less than equal to 10. So I is, so initialize here only I equal to 1. Okay, I equal to 1. Okay. So I is equal to 1 is less than equal to 10. Yeah, yes, true. Okay. Then it will go inside and it will print 1. Okay. Then increment will happen. Then I equal to I plus plus, then 2. Again it will go I equal to 2 is less than equal to 10. Yes, then 2. Again it will print 2. Again I become 3. Again I equal to 3 is less than 10. Yes, then true. Again print 3. Like that it will print up to 10. So this is what the while loop. Here we will give the condition. If condition is true, then print the statement, that is the while loop. Okay. And increment heavy. You can give decrement also. If you give it minus minus, then decrement will happen. Okay. This is what the basically while loop. Okay. First of all, suppose you are given I 1. Okay. So it will print 1 only. If you are not given increment or decrement, then okay. So it will print up to 1 because we are not given any condition. Okay. Just we are printing infinity type, it will print. So that's the what the while loop. Okay. Okay, so now we will see with the example of char. Okay, so that is integer. I am taking example. So take the example as a character. Okay, so take char ch equal to a. Okay, this is what I have taken. Okay, so now while char, okay, char print anything. What do you want to give the condition? Here you have to give, okay, ch, okay, yeah, ch, open the bracket, then print the statement, then test d slash n, okay, then ch, okay, close the bracket, then here do ch increment, okay, then here it will print ASCII value, okay, ASCII value, so a ASCII value is 97, okay, so b 98, so like that it will go, okay, so this is what here it will print, so it will print first a, okay, then again it will check increment will happen, then b, so b is ASCII value is 98, so like that it will print up to how much the size is there, size of character, okay. So in integer we are given the size of integer, that should be print, okay, if you are given. So this is what the while loop, okay. So thank you for watching this video.